Hi. Oh, this must be our new pupil. It's Juliet, isn't it?
You need to be more careful, otherwise this will be the last song you ever read.
I'm just gonna sack off school so then we can go.
You know, if we're gonna set up somewhere new, we're gonna need some money, babes.
If you go with Mum, you'll end up alone and scared. You know how the story ends because we've been there before.
Yeah, well, this time it's gonna be different. I fall for it every time, don't I? Just once. I wanted to believe that you actually cared about me. You're supposed to be my mum. But I wish that none of us had got back in time. Because then at least this would be over.
You have to help me.
Get off.
Doing a locker search, and I said to Jordan I'd hide something in there.
In there?
Yes.
Do you need to retake your sats? How stupid is that?
I didn't know the police were going to turn up, did I? What are we going to do?
Just get rid of that stuff. There's been police everywhere, so I made sure that it wasn't found.
Clever girl. Where'd you hide it?
Down the toilet.
So we'll call it quits.
Thanks.
Once you pay back the 500 quid that you cost me.
Okay. I'll do it.
And do what?
I'll sell the drugs, but it's a one-off, right? I'll pay what I owe, and that's it, I'm done.
What do we think?
I think it looks great.
Juliet? Juliet, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get this into your thick head, yeah? I'm not your baby Nightingale, I can do what I want.
I hope you don't snore, though. What? You'll be keeping in my room. On an airbed on the floor, so no funny business.
Jules, do you think that you might be gay?
I tried to kiss this girl once, but she knocked me back. So I laughed it off, made out it was a joke. I was just trying to liven up the dullest night of the year. It wasn't. I liked her.
You've got your eye on him?
There is someone.
It was just some harmless fun at a party. Juliet, I don't get why you're making this into such a big deal. It meant absolutely nothing.
Not to me! It meant everything to me! I'm gay, and I really like you.
Holly was different.
How?
Because I didn't see her like a little sister. I love your hair.
Jordan's patch. I want it.
Now that I think about it, the only reason I stayed with Jordan was for a distraction from Juliet. I've really fallen for a mum.
I love you! I mean it! You're the only one that I want!
I love you too.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
We belong together, and I can't stand by any longer while you waste your life with her. You need to end things with Juliet.
Hey, I love you, and I'm going to spend the rest of my life protecting you.
Note to self, don't let Marnie plan our wedding. Your wedding. A person's wedding, a human person's wedding.
Message received. I think Peri might want to get married. Peri's my soulmate. She's my person. It's just we've never talked about getting married before. It's gorgeous.
I don't want to get married.
know where I stand.
You've got a ring.
I bet you wish you said yes to marrying me now. Before you went asking.
Juliet, I don't know how she is, Lonnie. What if she dies? No, she's not gonna die. I'm a mum and she's made it tough stuff. Will you marry me? Juliet? Juliet? Help! Juliet! I love you.
Get the doctor. Hey, Sleeping Beauty.